Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Many of you have been asking me about several products that I normally use in my shows regularly. Today I'm going to share a few products that I personally love and I regularly use on my shows, and I find them very useful. So you can see I have two pans here. These are very special to me. So this is a tefal pan. I'm sure you would have seen it in a lot of my shows. And this is a circular pan. So these two pans have been with me for over 10 years and they still give me perfect results every time I make any dish in these pans. So this pan is one of my favorite pans. I've had this for a very long time, and I've used this for almost everything and anything. For frying, deep frying, sauteing, stir fries, literally everything. And I really like this product, so I bought two more products. I bought another bigger pan, of course from Tefal, and I really love this color as well. Something new. Usually, I find products either they are blue, black or red. So this color was something that really attracted me, and it looks beautiful for camera. And I also picked up this another kadai. It's a multi-purpose kadai. This is a very nice kadai. It comes with a lid, and I've started using both these products on my shows for making almost all the dishes that I share with you guys. You can see them on the shows. I love these products and I'm regularly using them on my shows. Now what I like about these non-stick pots and pans is it cooks evenly, and I use very little oil, and I think it's perfect for our kitchens. So many of you actually have asked me, how do you keep these pots and pans nice and clean and new? That's because I take very good care of them and maintain them well. I clean them with just mild soap and gently scrub them. I don't use any metal spatulas or spoons. All I use is wooden spatulas or silicone spatulas. And it's quite compact to keep in our kitchens. So that's how I maintain them. These products are tested, trusted, and part of our great kitchen finds. So if you guys want me to review any other products that you see on our home cooking show, do post in your comments and let me know. Check out the product tags below if you'd like to shop the items I use in this video. The second edition of the home cooking book is now available on Amazon as well as on shop.homecookingshow.in.